If your leads are slow, then a new website's probably not going to fix that. Most businesses think, oh, I'll build a new website and leads will start pouring in. But that's usually not the case. The vast majority of the time, it's not about how your website looks. A website rebuild is going to improve the appearance of your website, but not your online visibility. A new website can actually hurt your SEO in a lot of ways because it's a newer build and Google and AI models don't like new. If Google isn't sending traffic to your current website, just building a new one from scratch, that doesn't solve that problem. No traffic equals no leads, and it doesn't matter how good your website looks. When you're building a new website, you're focused on branding, animations, generic copy, things like that. But most of the time you're ignoring important details like buyer intent keywords, location-specific landing pages, and how people actually search. If your website isn't aligned with what your ideal buyers are typing into Google or AI models, then it won't generate leads. Even if your website is generating a lot of traffic, a rebuild is going to fail if your messaging is unclear, your CTAs are weak or buried, or your pages don't guide users to action. SEO brings in visitors, but your conversion strategy is what turns those visitors into actual customers. Most of the time, when you're building a new website, you're going to change things like your URL structure, your internal linking, and you'll probably remove pages that may be ranking on Google already. Without an SEO plan during the rebuild, you can really hurt your rankings. And when you lose rankings, the SEO momentum takes months to regain. We've been doing this for years, and lead problems are almost always one of three things: a traffic problem, which means you're not getting anybody on the website, an intent problem, which means you have the wrong people on your website, or a conversion problem, which means you're not telling users what to do when they actually get there. A quality website, it needs three things. It needs an SEO strategy and making sure the right people are coming to your website. It needs clear positioning, so you tell people exactly what you do and how to do business with you. And it needs ongoing optimization, so that you fix what's broken, but you also accelerate what's working. Now, sometimes a rebuild is necessary. I've seen some terrible websites, but that's just the foundation. You have to still put effort in on growing your traffic and fixing the things that we discussed. If your website looks great, but it's not generating leads, that's more of an SEO strategy issue and not a design issue. To learn more about how SEO can impact your business, subscribe to our channel and make sure you're showing up when it matters most.